This is 2 bedroom, 72 square meter. Yeah, so this is the kitchen cabinets, the toilet and bath. Yan. Laki ng toilet and bath. Yan. So this is the bedroom 1. Yan. The cabinets, the windows, and then here is the master's bedroom. Yan. Master's bedroom connected sa balcony. Yan. We have another closet here, and then another toilet and bath. Yan. So let's see the balcony. Yan. Yung balcony around 1 meter plus. Kaya Rod, ganito mo nga. Ganito mo sa pader. Ayan, so ganyan kalaki yung balcony. This is connected sa living area. Ayan. So this is the view of the balcony. Ayan, view niya sa Taal. Ito yung main Taal volcano. Ayan, this is a 90 degrees view of Taal Lake. Ito po. Ayan, so perfect. So once again, this is a 72 square meter 2-bedroom unit. This is 9.5 total contract price inclusive the bank fees, miscellaneous fees, and other charges. You can call me at 0936-938-9283. Please like and subscribe my channel. This is Nathan from Philinvestland Incorporated. God bless you all.